This Campus Portal tutorial will show you how to access, save, and print your unofficial transcripts. Start by logging in to the Campus Portal. Then, come up to the top and click on the Students tab. This will bring up a new left-hand menu. Go ahead and come down to where it says Advising and Registration. Click once, then click a second time to bring up the submenu. Come down to the bottom where it says Unofficial Transcript and click once. This will generate an unofficial transcript spreadsheet in the center of the screen. The courses that you see will be based on the division that's selected in this drop-down menu. You can select your undergraduate, graduate, or credential unofficial transcript. I want to see my courses in my undergraduate division. Once you have those courses brought up, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Here you'll find a link to a custom transcript PDF. I recommend using this unofficial transcript because it's a more organized view of your time at NDNU. Go ahead and click once. Here you'll see a typical unofficial transcript. It includes the name of the institution at the top, your student ID number, your name, and your address. It also includes the name of the division that's selected. And then you'll see your courses, including grades and units and GPA, organized by semester. Down at the bottom, you'll see your degree information, including any majors and minors on your profile. You'll also see here a degree conferred line. If you see a date there, it means that your degree has been completed and conferred. If there's no date there, then the degree is not considered complete and has not yet been conferred. If you need a copy of this for your own records, you can go into your web browser's menu options and select File, Save As. Go ahead and enter a new file name and select your save destination. And then this will save this version of the unofficial transcript as a PDF. You can then open up that PDF file and print it, or you can attach it and send it to third-party institutions. I would recommend keeping a copy of your unofficial transcript for your own records. If you have any questions about accessing, saving, or printing your unofficial transcript, please reach out to the Office of the Registrar at registrar@ndnu.edu.